All right, Emma, open the last one.
Ooh, it's the last one. Let's check it out, Emma. It's a...
Oh yeah, I forgot what this one was.
Ooh, what is it?
Don't say anything, Julie.
It's a princess thing. It's an Anna doll. Now Emma has an Elsa and Anna doll. Elsa and Anna doll. Awesome. Wow. Can you open it? Oh, wow. Hey, let's
Do you like it, Em?
Want to do this little Duplo? I just love this thing.